So we can fix this too, right?
Which one?
This in the sink.
Yeah, you said it just needs batteries, right?
Yeah, I think.
Looks like it used to be a flushometer. Galby. Wow. These bolts are no good. Probably the chop. I don't even know if I can get those off of there, to be honest with you. I don't even know. It looks like they... Look at that. It's almost like they... I don't think I can get these off, dude. There's no bolts. It's almost like they... I wonder if they melted lead and just put those in, because there's no nut or anything on there. Interesting. I'm gonna have to definitely use a twist and set flange for this. I'm really unsure how those bolts are staying in there. I really don't know. I kind of chipped away at them with my flathead here, but whatever. I'm just gonna, like I said, I'm gonna use a twist and set. Call it a day. I keep calling it a twist and set. It's actually a Sioux Chief, which you don't have to twist or set. Well, you gotta set it, but I like to use the dog ears, but these require quite a bit of persuasion to get in here. There you go. But these are my favorite. I like them better than the twist and set because sometimes the twist and set don't get a real, like a real tight seal. It doesn't feel like it gets a tight seal at least. But these, I've always been very pleased with them. And if you can't get them all the way down with your footsies, when you drill it in, you know, it pulls it down to the floor even more. So, push tight, that's what it's called. Push tight, yeah. So let's make sure we're good here. About 13 and 13. All right. It's a little high on this side, so I'm gonna stomp it a little bit more. You got to be cautious of, because you can crack it if you stomp it too much. There you go. It's gonna be about as good as it's gonna get. Okay, so now put some tap consies in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, something like that. Dang. These three went in real good right here. Those suckers are in there. These, I mean, it's not pointless to have them in there, but they're not so sturdy and pulling down on the flange. But that's about as good as you're gonna get with this. Oh boy. Is the tank going to fit? Yep. It's not gonna work. Not gonna work. So that means that's not good. That's not good. Well, what else are you gonna do? There's a T. Okay. All right. What I can do, I can turn the water off. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a Sawzall in here, cut it back, and then mega press. That's what I'm gonna do. And then copper. So I'm gonna turn the water off. All right, decent cut, straight enough for pro press. All right, so it's reamed, it's cleaned. Look at this contraption. Oh man, it's still outside of the wall. Holy mackerel. I'm gonna have to cut that back even more. Wow. Oh no. I am up a freaking creek now. Oh no. It really just is becoming a nightmare, dude. Now I can't get the jaws on there. I thought I'd be able to. I'm gonna have to cut this vent and then use no hub bands. It's just one of these jobs, bro. I mean, I wouldn't even be able to unthread that. There you go. Cut the vent out. Just so I can press this stupid thing. Ridiculous. I tried to spin it off, but there's just no leverage. I'd have to open up this whole thing and actually get in there. So, oh man, what a nightmare, dude. Doll action. lastly, we'll press that and then we're done. What a friggin' nightmare. Let me make sure, yeah, I'll be able to get those no-hub bands on there, no problem. I can reach behind there. All right, water's back on. Going back with ABS. All right, two-hander. No hub bands in. Okay, all of this for a $100 toilet. Kind of ironic, huh? Love those dolls. Perfect. Now, let me put on the toilet seat. And then we're done. Funny. It's really ironic, you know? I haven't had one of those jobs in a long time where it's just everything goes wrong. Okay, it's flushing nicely. Now I gotta shim it and caulk it because it's really, the floor in here is just so unlevel. But in that secondary building, you know what I'm talking about?
The Tuesday building?
No, it's the one next to it. Shimmed like crazy. Lexled like crazy. Jeez.